Welcome to AI for Director of Operations, a course designed to empower you to take command of your daily operations with clarity and confidence. Imagine beginning each day with systems that operate like meticulously maintained machinery. You'll be equipped to make data-driven decisions, navigate complex challenges with ease, and guide your team toward efficient and smart outcomes. In our world of constant innovation and high competition, integrating AI is not an option, but an essential tool that transforms the way you lead. This course is built specifically for directors who are ready to dive into practical insights and hands-on strategies. You'll discover how advanced analytics and automation free up your time and allow you to focus on strategic, high-value thinking. Every session is crafted to help you understand and implement AI-driven techniques that reduce redundancy and boost operational performance. Along the way, you'll also earn certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities, all becoming tangible evidence of your enhanced skills. We offer comprehensive video modules that take you from the basics of AI in an operational context to the real-world applications that matter most to your role. You'll benefit from field-tested prompts, innovative tools, and accessible guides packed with actionable insights and case studies relevant to your everyday challenges. If you're ready to embrace the future of operations and transform challenges into opportunities, you can find all AI for Director of Operations training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.